Mosquitoes are on our planet for more than 200 million years. Only the female bites. She requires a blood meal to begin the process of egg development. But above their inconvenient and uncomfortable presence, mosquitoes can act as vectors for many diseases, causing viruses and parasites. Infected mosquitoes carry these organisms from person to person without exhibiting symptoms themselves. My name is Luc Deschamps. I'm the CEO and founder of Lifts, Leaving It for Total Satisfaction. So far, the solution to protect humans against mosquitoes has been chemicals like DDT. Either applied locally on the body, it works, but not necessarily good for the environment and humans. Solutions like ultrasound devices, after many tests, unfortunately demonstrated their inefficiency. The NOMAD was discovered by accident by a group of engineers working on air purification. The first portable NOMAD prototype was successfully tested in the Florida Everglades. Tested in the Pasteur Institute laboratories in Europe with 0 bites as result. NOMAD is safe for humans and animals. The NOMAD third generation is manufactured here in Canada now. It has a lithium battery rechargeable in only 3 hours, and the unit is good for 24 hours. You can still use it while on charging mode. To understand how the NOMAD works, it is important to first understand how the mosquitoes are attracted to humans. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide humans and other animals emit, the CO2. They can spot it at 150 feet. They also use their olfactory receptors to pick up on other cues like body heat and skin odor to find a potential odor. The NOMAD works in the natural electric field just enough to make humans imperceptible to mosquitoes. It's the perfect device to have beside your bed, in the car, and outside close to yourself on a table, during a barbecue dinner with friends, on the balcony, or in your camping trip, for example. Hi, my name is Luc Deschamps. I'm the CEO of Lifts, Leaving It for Total Satisfaction. The NOMAD adventure started 3 years ago. It's already in at least 15 countries around the world. The expansion is going well. I take this minute to mention an important point. The NOMAD doesn't kill the mosquito, neither is a repellent. What it does actually, it does a little modification in the natural electric fields around you, enough to enable the mosquito to track the CO2 coming from your mouth. So I take this moment also to invite you to take advantage to this Kickstarter campaign. So I want to thank everybody that supported the NOMAD in the past 3 years and the future happy one who will enjoy it. Thank you again and stay well.